are pleased to show you the 2015 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, power windows, child safety locks, passenger airbag, brake assist, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, privacy glass, split bench seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.